Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you the Sonoff NS Panel Pro, a powerful, versatile smart home control panel. This sleek and powerful device lets you control your smart home devices from one central location. Hi everyone, my name is Amjad Ali and I'm a smart home enthusiast. I have been testing out Sonoff NS Panel Pro for the past few weeks. I'm really impressed with it. The NS Panel Pro is an Android-based smart home hub and it is a Zigbee gateway. It means that it can control any Zigbee 3.0 compatible devices regardless of the brand. It also has built-in light sensor, microphone, and you can use it to control your lights, check your security cameras, and even make calls. The NS Panel Pro is very easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, and the touch screen is responsive. I was able to set up NS Panel Pro in just a few minutes, and I was controlling my smart home devices in no time. The NS Panel Pro has two-way intercom feature between the hubs and your smartphone. The NS Panel Pro can be used to monitor your connected cameras in real time. So here is the review kit that I have got, and the review kit included motion sensor, two door sensors, a temperature and humidity sensor, a camera, a smart power meter, and a smart plug. I have been using these devices with NS Panel Pro and I have been really impressed with how they work together. Motion sensor can be used to trigger automations. The door sensor can be used to detect when the door is opened and closed. The temperature and humidity sensor can be used to monitor the environment. The camera can be used to watch the live stream and of course two-way communication. The smart power meter can be used to track your energy usage, and the smart plug can be used to control your appliances. Let's start by unboxing the NS Panel Pro review kit. The main package included this nicely packed black box from the EV-Link. This is the enclosure stand for NS Panel. So the specifications are here, and here is the cable. Here is the letter from Sonoff and the summary of the items which are there. So security kit is there, two door sensors are here, and then the camera is here, and of course NS Panel Pro. This can be mounted on the wall also, and also this can be used it over here. This is the power meter. I'll be using this on my home lab to see how much power is being consumed by my home lab. And here is the smart plug. This is the humidity and temperature sensor. And then of course the camera. So here is the USB-C cable also provided with this. These are the door sensors. So door sensor can be mounted on the door. So this is motion sensor. I'll be showing you these all items during the installation process. First of all, let me do the installation of NS Panel Pro. And I'll simply remove this to place the cable in. The hot wire will go into the line in here, and the cold wire, and here we'll close this. This should be down, which means that this has to be on the right side. Just tighten it with the screw, and here you go. Press it. In case you want to open this, so you will be opening it like this. So here it's easy to open. So here you are. You can mount it on wall using the included screws, or you can place it on the table or countertop. Make sure you choose the location where the touch screen will be easy to reach. Just turn it on. All right, so I'll start this. Language English. Muscat, Oman. So this is my region, and searching for the Wi-Fi. The NS Panel Pro supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Make sure that your router is broadcasting this frequency. So here is my Wi-Fi here. I'll enter the password here. And right now no devices are found. So let us talk about the initial configuration now. Once the NS Panel Pro is connected to your Wi-Fi network, the first thing you will need to do is to create the user account. You can do this using the EV-Link app, which is available for Android and iOS devices. So it's done here. Once you have created the user account, you can start adding devices. Add devices, and here I need to scan the QR code. Okay, and I'll scan the QR code here. So I will just add the name of this, and if I do the voice call here, so you can see here, so there is a call also between the NS Panel Pro and the phone. So let me check if we can make the call using the 4G connection right now. So I'll try to do the call here. The NS Panel Pro is compatible with a wide range of Zigbee devices. This means that you can use NS Panel Pro to control all your smart home devices, regardless of the brand. To integrate a Zigbee device with the NS Panel Pro, you will need to add the device using the option which is available on NS Panel Pro. So I need to add multiple devices here now. Temperature and humidity sensor. So here we need to remove seal here, and now the battery is connected. And now you can see the temperature and humidity both is available here. So I can place it anywhere on my wall and it will show me the temperature and humidity, and this is magnetic. No devices, please swipe down. You swipe it down, you will see all the options here. Add the device, so you can tap on add the device and start pairing. Zigbee device is supported here, and here you can see it has started blinking. I'll start pairing this, and it will search for all the devices which are available. And here you can see temperature and humidity sensor. It has been finished and it has been added. So I'll finish this for the time being, and you can see here it shows us the temperature and humidity. Alright, so new version is available here. So here I'll go into settings, and in settings you can see here about, and in about a software update is required. So I'll just go and install the software update. So till the time it completes the installation process. This one is the camera. Place in the USB-C cable here. Connect it with the power. Alright, so upgrade is completed here now. Alright, so now you can see temperature sensor is connected. NS Panel Pro is also connected. And here is the password for the Wi-Fi network, and next and confirm. Now we'll wait for the camera to receive the Wi-Fi configuration. Device is connected, device information is received, and right now, so where I'm placing it, so I'll mention it, for example, living room for the time being, and done. So now the camera is connected here. If I see here cam, so camera is right now available here. Alright, so camera is configured now. Now the camera has to be placed nicely at the place wherever you want. So I'll be placing it here because it will be covering corridor. 3 devices right now are connected. So camera slim is connected, temperature and humidity sensor is connected, and NS Panel Pro. These are the devices which are connected. Right, so here is the door sensor. Sensor is placed here. Alright, so the door is armed now. So this one is for the home lab. So 2 doors are right now installed. So I'll be placing this motion sensor here at this place so that it can detect the motion on the both sides. Alright, so this is temperature and humidity sensor. This is of course magnet, so it can be easily placed over here. Here you can see that motion sensor is detected right now. So I'll be tapping in finish. Now you can see here that motion sensor, door window sensor, temperature sensor, and 2 door sensors are in fact detected right now. If I go back here to my home, so you can see here these are all the devices which are connected right now. These are 2 door sensors right now. Here I can go to this door. I'll just go here and name it. It will be main door. I'll go back here, and now you can see motion sensor, main door, and home lab door. These are there. So camera is already detected. Gateway. So gateway will help you to arm and disarm your home. Home mode will have the notifications turned off for all these devices. Away mode. In away mode, in case you want to set up the sound, so long beep. So I will be doing it for maybe 1 minute. So for 1 minute, if anybody is trying to enter the house, so it will be alarm types. You can change the alarm types here. So these are all the sensors. I'll be turning this on, and this is on the away mode. And in sleep mode, so I'll be configuring the scenes here. So what will be the trigger first? For example, if there is a sunrise as per Muscat time, and sunrise 10 minutes before the sunrise, for example, what should happen? So I can turn on the smart device. So in NS Pro, for example, I want to disarm it. So security mode will be, it will be disarmed. So I'll disarm the security mode the moment sun rises. I'll name it good morning. And here you can see, so once the morning is there, so NS Pro will be disarmed. At good night, which means that 10 o'clock at night, smart security will turn on. In the morning, once the sun is about to rise, alarm will be disarmed. So this is how it will work. All right, so here is the Sonoff power meter. You can remove this from both sides, and here you can place the cable. So you can see here the live in and live out, and then of course neutral in and out. For my home lab, of course, here the server setup is over here. This is live in, so live in brown color. I'll press this one, so it will turn on the relay. 229 voltage which is detected, and here is the usage. Smart power meter switch I have connected to my home lab right now, and in order to pair this smart PoE switch, so how we need to pair it, it will be a Bluetooth device. Alright, so power is pressed for 5 seconds. Now it is in the pair mode. Device added successfully, which is, the name is power sensor, power meter. So I'll name it here and I'll place it in the home lab, and done. So now the power switch is right now added. Now these are the devices which are added here. If I show you the power switch, and this is of course power meter also here it is reading the 4.15 watt is right now being used, because I have turned off all the servers right now. So only one device, which is this one, this is connected on that, and I can of course turn on and turn off using this switch. So if I turn it off, you will see here all my power is off in my home lab, and I'll turn it on, and now you will see that the device has started turning on, and it will detect the power being used right now. So I'll read more, so I'll get all the information over here. So total voltage is here, and the power which is being used right now. I can put the timer also. I can schedule it that what time it should turn on and turn off. But of course, this is my home lab. I don't want to turn it on and turn off all the times. I can create, of course, a scene that once I have left the home, so it should turn off everything and so on. If you add the device using the app, it will be automatically available on NS Panel Pro and vice versa. And here in my device screen, so I'll be changing this screen name here. So I'll edit the home screen here. So I will name it, for example, and all the devices which are there in living room, I'll bring them in. So this is the corridor camera. So you can see here the corridor camera has come here. I can listen to it. For example, I want to listen it what is happening there right now, so I can talk. So here is the device, home camera and home lab door, and motion sensor is added here. And similarly in my home lab, suppose I want to have the temperature humidity sensor which is not here anymore. I can move it, temperature and humidity sensor, and main door. I'll be moving these both to the living room, and you can see here that these devices have come to living room now. From the living room, I'll be moving these devices. Home lab, I'll be moving this to the home lab. So I'll be just going back to, so now the device which is left is the Zigbee smart plug. This is Zigbee smart plug. I'll be just adding the device from here, so I can just go back here, swipe up and add the device and start pairing. Now let me put the plug into, so for the testing purpose, so I'll be adding the plug in here, and right now the plug is turned in, and I'll be using this one over here for testing it whether it is connecting or not. And this is my USB light, and you can see here that the smart plug is available right now. So if I go back here and finish this setup here, turn on and turn off the plug, you can see here off and again on. First, make sure that NS Panel Pro is connected to your Wi-Fi network. If it is connected to your Wi-Fi network, try restarting the panel. If you are still having the problems, you can contact Sonoff support for help. If you are looking a way to control all your smart home appliances or all your smart home devices from one central location, the NS Panel Pro is a great option. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more smart home technology reviews and tutorials. Stay connected, and I'll see you in next video.